Cozumel Palace Superior Loft Suite. So right when you walk in, there's a bathroom. So sink, walk-in shower, as well as toilet. Palace uses all chi amenities. Here on the first floor, yep, that's right, I said first floor, you'll find the king-size bed, as well as your coffee maker, water, a mini bar, and that signature two-person jacuzzi tub that's in all of these palace rooms here in Cozumel. You have your step-down living room area. Then you have your juices, waters, sodas, beer, and hard liquor included in your mini bar. Then you want to head up the stairs to find 2 additional beds, as well as another TV, another mini bar, another coffee maker, more water, and then a second bathroom with 2 sinks, as well as another walk-in shower and toilet. So you could have 4 people up there and they could share that bathroom pretty easily. Back down to the first floor, you'll find the balcony, and then this is that great ocean view you'll have. If you enjoyed this video, here's some more I think you'll like.